Bill, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Yes. My question is, if my wife bankrupts and I don't, will that affect my credit?
Okay, so fascinating question, Jim. So does it occasionally happen where only one of the spouses files bankruptcy?
Yes, it does. And if your wife only has her debts and you have your debts, then the answer is it should not, absolutely should not affect your credit history whatsoever. The only time it comes into play is when you have joint debts, and let's say you have a joint credit card where both of you originally signed the credit card to sign up for it. Then the credit card company still has a right to come after you, and it could impact your credit history that way. And in the future, if you ever go together to get credit, her bankruptcy, of course, is going to affect both of you.
Yeah.
But if he went to apply for credit, they should not take her bankruptcy into consideration and whether or not to give him credit or not.
Okay, so, Jim, let's take this a step farther. So let's say the wife has got a bunch of credit cards in her name only. The husband never signed on the dotted line. Would the bankruptcy court look beyond that and say, look, well, the wife was charging new furniture for the living room and taking them both on a vacation together? Would a bankruptcy court be able to cut through that kind of thing?
No. They would look at the debt, but the only time that would be taken into consideration is both their incomes are taken into consideration as to whether or not the wife could file the check.
Oh, I got you. So his income is included as far as her qualifying to file bankruptcy.
As far as a qualification under what's called the means test, that is a family income.